Wake up with Matt in the morning.
Hey guys, my name's Matt and this is Matt in the Morning. And guess what we're doing today? We're doing quarantine tacos. I just call them Jeremy tacos. Just figured I'd call them quarantine tacos because that's kind of where we're at. And these things are delicious. Now let me just start out telling you what makes it a Jeremy taco. Corn tortilla. Now before we get too far, just know that we also over here don't like corn tortillas. So the first time we had these, which was from our buddy Jeremy, hence the name Jeremy tacos, we thought, we'll give it a shot. We're just not big on the corn tortillas. Then we had one and they're delicious. They're our go-to. So we made them the other day and I thought, well, wait, this would be a good quarantine video because it's something where you can cook it and have leftovers for the next day. And my thing with the quarantine food is let's make something that isn't just for one meal. Let's make something that's going to last. That's why I did coming up, we got, pulled pork coming up. Boom, big old thing of pulled pork, that's going to last, right? So, corn tortilla, we're going to throw it on the skillet. The thing is we're going to add some Parmesan cheese to it. Not just on top with the meat, but we're going to flip each side and put it on there. So that Parmesan cheese is going to get cooked in with it and seal it into the tortilla. And the thing is, we pull it off. Once we pull it off, it's still going to be pliable, yet have some crunch to it. And these are amazing. If you already like corn tortillas, you got to try this out. So, and as you can see down below here, I just have some basic items going on it. Got some shredded lettuce, cheese, onions, and some sour cream. And you could, of course, use whatever you like to have on a taco. My thing is go ahead and prep it all one night. Prep enough for a few different meals. Boom, store it in a baggie, in a container, whatever you got. Then when you're feeling like more Jeremy tacos, like later that day or the next day, you just pull the stuff out, reheat it, get the skillet going, boom, boom, boom. As you can see behind me, I've got the skillet ready to rock and roll. So let's just jump right back there. We'll go ahead and make a couple of these up. I'll show them to you, and there you go. Then you can try it at home. All right, guys, so now it's taco time. I know, weird view. We got the microwave right here. I don't know what to do. By the way, I'm not wearing gloves because I'm just eating these myself. So don't be thinking, what's he doing? Not even wearing gloves. So what I do is I throw the taco down. I'll throw a little meat on. And when you make the meat, use whatever taco seasoning you want. Whatever you like, do it to it. So the thing is, once we get it there, we got the oil that's already, so it's going to stick right to the oil there. Boom. That's going to get that melted and cooked into the tortilla, which makes this a Jeremy taco. You can make these without the Parmesan cheese, but it ain't no Jeremy taco then. It's just a taco. And I've got this on about a medium to medium low heat. Don't want to do it super hot, just kind of nice and slow here. And like I say, once it's done, it's going to be good and pliable, but have some crunch to it still. So you can add your toppings to it and eat it. Then make another one, eat it. All right, I kind of fast forwarded ahead there. That was it cooking in the skillet. It's done. Didn't want to bore you with just watching it cook. Took about 3 minutes. And down below, you can see I added my accoutrements. If you want to do some tomatoes, add some salsa, that's fine too. I'm not doing that. But as you can see on the other side, got that cheese nice and cooked on. I typically use a little bit more so you get more of this throughout. But what do? It's the first one off the thing today. Still delicious. Yeah. Still delicious. I don't have my rag. Not wearing gloves. What's going on? Anyways, that's Jeremy tacos. Super simple. Corn tortilla, put it on a skillet, take some Parmesan cheese on both sides, pull it off, put whatever you want on it and eat it. It's really good. You're gonna love it. Make plenty of ground beef, have plenty of sides, have plenty of toppings for it. You'll have delicious meals all throughout the week, or however long the stuff lasts. I'm seeing too many people in the stores getting just junky frozen stuff. If you're gonna be stuck in the house for 2 weeks, you should at least be eating good. So anyways, hey, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I know I'm going to enjoy it because I got 2 more cooking back there, as you can see. Tune in next time for another great video. Stay healthy.